The 2007 Suzuki GSXR1000 boasts a 999cc inline 4 engine that delivers explosive power and acceleration. With advanced fuel injection and dual injectors per cylinder, it provides sharp throttle response and incredible top-end performance, making it a favorite among sport bike enthusiasts. The GSXR 1000's chassis is designed for optimal rigidity and lightweight performance, utilizing a twin-spar aluminum frame and advanced suspension components. It offers superb handling and agility, allowing riders to confidently tackle corners and navigate through tight spots with ease. Hey, real quick, before getting back to the facts, I want to talk about our sponsor. It's us. We have an eBay store where we sell thousands of used parts for a ton of different makes and models. Plus, we have free shipping. Be sure to check us out and see if we have parts for your motorcycle by clicking the link in the description. The GSXR sports an aggressive and aerodynamic design with sleek bodywork and sharp lines. Its distinctive look, combined with functional features like the ram air intake and underseat exhaust, not only enhances performance, but also makes a bold statement on the road. Thanks for watching this time-lapse teardown. If you like this style of content, then you're sure to like some of the other videos that we've put out. Feel free to click one of these videos that are popping up, or if you want to see everything that we've done, it's easiest to just go to our channel here, and while you're there, you can click the subscribe button and like and comment on some of our stuff. We respond to all of the comments, and we really appreciate it. So go ahead and do that for us.